AI is getting crazy good, and it's no secret. In fact, OpenAI, the owner of ChatGPT, was just valued at $29 billion. Yes, a billion with a B. That's why we did something unique that nobody else has ever done before. We combined AI with online e-com stores. How? By using the insane power of AI to come up with creative designs and slapping them on things like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases. Because these designs are unique, funny, and incredibly eye-catching, people won't stop buying them. And remember, we don't have to make these designs ourselves. It's all done by the AI. And here's where it gets better. Not only does the AI create the designs, it makes the entire store. It writes all the content for the e-com store, including headlines, product descriptions, everything, and designs the store itself from the ground up. Literally everything is done for us with the built-in AI. Introducing Kustomize. With Kustomize, you can create AI-powered e-com stores preloaded with AI designs that sell things like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, sweaters, and more. The sky is the limit, really. There are hundreds of different products to sell, and because we use the power of print on demand, we don't have to ship or store any of these items ourselves. We simply give a tiny portion of the sale to the supplier to manufacture and ship the product to the customer. So that means you won't need to invest in thousands of dollars worth of stock and go to the post office constantly. Here's how it works. You can activate your very first Kustomize e-com store in just 4 clicks. Click 1. Enter any keyword to choose a niche or topic. For example, you could choose dog owner shirts, or if you're not sure, ask Kustomize AI to choose one for you. Click 2. Generate designs. The AI will begin producing attractive designs for merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, sweatshirts, phone cases, and more. Click 3. Create the e-com store. Kustomize will create an e-com store, preloaded with all the designs and descriptions. And no, we didn't forget about traffic like all the other apps. That brings us to click 4. Send traffic to your store. You can use our one-click AI video generator and upload them to 2.6 billion users at the press of a button to flood your store with traffic. And the nice thing about these stores is that when they are set up, they keep bringing in sales over and over again, like clockwork. Why? Because they run on complete autopilot, like a self-driving Tesla, raking in profits non-stop. 247, even when you're sleeping, even when you're eating, even when you're on vacation. As long as you don't shut down your Kustomize e-com stores, they will continue to make sales no matter what. You're getting all the features you need to crush it, including AI automated e-com store creation. Effortlessly create and launch your own print-on-demand e-commerce store, complete with custom designs on mugs, t-shirts, and other print-on-demand products. Auto-written product descriptions. Yes, you heard that right. Meaning, you won't need to face writer's block trying to come up with the best description for your products. Kustomize AI will automatically come up with a super enticing description that has people drooling to buy. Whether it's a t-shirt, mug, phone case, or sweater, it doesn't matter. Kustomize AI can whip up an exciting description regardless of what you're selling. And not only can the AI write product descriptions, it also crafts eye-catching headlines and subheadlines. This is even more important, as people read headlines before descriptions, so this ensures you're capturing the attention of the visitor. This is one of the reasons why Kustomizee stores sell any kind of product like hotcakes, and can easily make us $3,000 to $5,000 per month with just one store. Email and SMS retargeting templates. The reality is, most people who see your site will not buy right away. Some will, but 90% plus of people will not buy at a moment's notice. They need to see your product multiple times before they purchase. To combat this, you can retarget them by sending them emails and SMS messages. Simply use our proven templates and you'll instantly increase sales. Automatic AI-powered sales page creation. If you thought that the AI could only write headlines and product descriptions, you're wrong. It gets far more advanced than that. Kustomize AI is so smart, it can create proper sales pages for your e-com products that match the quality of a veteran copywriter. This feature alone is worth literally thousands of dollars, as a good copywriter can easily charge $1,000+ for a simple project. Product mock-up creator. Before people buy the product, they must see what it looks like first. Seriously, Would you buy a t-shirt without seeing what it looks like? Of course not. That's why you must show people a product mock-up, which shows what the product will look like in real life when they buy it. We made this part of the process effortless by building in a product mock-up creator, which generates high-quality pictures in just seconds. AI-powered Facebook and YouTube ad writer to get sales rolling in right away. Use our AI-powered writer to quickly crank out an attention-grabbing Facebook or YouTube ad script in just seconds. These are guaranteed to grab attention, as we've trained our AI to mimic the writing style of the best copywriters out there, like Gary Halbert, John Capels, Clayton Mapeace, and many others. AI-powered video creator. This is one of our most loved features. To promote your e-com store, we recommend using this AI-powered video creator to create fun, attention-grabbing TikTok-style promotional videos. These are super handy in showcasing your products to social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, or any other platform. Stunning, done-for-you design templates. Not only are these e-com store templates visually appalling, they are proven to get people to pull out their credit cards and buy, because that's what matters at the end of the day. Another great feature is that these e-com stores are fully optimized for SEO. It's no secret that billions of people are searching on Google every single day. That includes millions of people searching to buy custom t-shirts, phone cases, mugs, sweaters, and many other things. And the best part is, this traffic is 100% free. So you don't need to pay any advertising expenses whatsoever. Now, even though it's 2023, many e-com stores only look good on desktop. This is a huge drawback, as only 40% of internet users are desktop. The other 60% are using tablets and phones. That's why we took the time to optimize our e-com stores to look stunning on all devices. They are also optimized for all major internet browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Safari, Opera, and all others. There's also effortless payment processing. Normally, it can take weeks to set up payment processing. Talk about a technical nightmare. To simplify everything, you can begin taking in payments from credit cards like MasterCard, Visa, American Express. Discover with just a few clicks. Just hook up a PayPal or Stripe account, and you'll be ready to accept payments in just minutes, with zero headaches or waiting. Now listen, right now, Kustomize is selling for a one-time price, the same as the price of a cheap t-shirt from Walmart. If you get Kustomize right now, you won't have to pay any additional hidden fees. But do know that this special pricing won't last forever. This is only available to our early bird users. To maintain support for our products and pay employees, we will be forced to soon charge a monthly price. So if you come back later at any time, you could end up paying a monthly price. Why do that when you could have acted now and gotten access to Kustomize for a low, one-time price, and you're protected by our 180-day money-back guarantee? Just click the button under this video right now to get access. I'll see you inside.